Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my regular Ipsy Glambag. This always is a winner. So let's get in here and see what I've got. Wow, I really threw down with that, didn't I? This is always a winner. Fingers crossed, it's a winner. I remember I made a choice. Was this the month that I chose the Tatcha? I think this might be the month I chose the Tatcha. And I did an add-on, so I should have an add-on brush in here because this month they gave us $2 off an add-on in each of our boxes. So I just did it in a couple of them and I added $3 brushes to it. That's a winner right there to start with. So this is the $12 Ipsy Glambag. It's the original. For $12, you get 5 products. Mostly sample sizes. Sometimes they throw in a full size. You get a cute little bag. It's just a winner. And yep, I see, I have 2 brushes. There must have been a brush in my bag. This is what this bag looks like this month. I will say, I just did my Ipsy Glambag Plus, and it was my favorite of the 3. This is definitely my second favorite. The ultimate one was very, very bright. They have put on the back of this 100th Ipsy Glambag because this is the 100th Ipsy Glambag. They are celebrating their 100th Glambag this month, which is why they gave everybody a $2 credit toward add-ons. Let's reach in here and hope that I have, and I do, a card, and it has my products on it. Yay! I love it when we have our products listed. So I believe, let me start with my add-on. I believe that my add-on this month was this brush. I'm gonna look real quick and see if I'm right. Nope, I was mistaken. My add-on is the other brush. This is my add-on, and it is the Complex Culture, which I can see why I added that on because I always love these Complex Culture brushes. I love the feel of the handle. I've been super happy with the quality of the brush head. This is the Precision Eyelid. So that is what that looks like. I love the handle. I just love these brushes. That was my add-on. So in theory, I paid $1 for this brush because it was a $3 add-on and they gave everybody a $2 credit. So the other brush that I received, which is part of my bag, is the Firma 203. I am not going to take this out because this is literally almost the same brush. So I will leave it in here in case I want to pass it along, but let's read about it. The Firma Elite B203 Concealer Brush. Oh, I didn't see that coming. Nope. Concealer is our best bud for so many reasons, and this pro quality brush will soon be your go-to for applying it. Use it on dark spots, blemishes, or under your eyes. The soft, densely packed synthetic bristles amp up the coverage level of any cream or liquid concealer, and it is a $12.99 brush. Okay, well now that we know it's a concealer brush, I'm going to go ahead and look at it. Look, it's very lightweight feeling. I can't tell if it's wood. Yeah, it feels kind of plasticky, but it feels almost kind of like a really smooth wood. I will be anxious to try that. I, as a rule, use my beauty blender under here. So we'll see how this works. I also just got a concealer brush in my Plus. I didn't think about that. But it's a very different brush, so we'll see how we like it. Let's reach in next. Oh, this is the Tatcha that I talked about. So this was my choice. This is the Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream. And that is what that looks like. The paperwork says Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. True to its name, this luxurious cream majorly ups your skin's dew factor. It's ideal for dry, dull skin in need of some extra TLC. It's packed with ceramides to reinforce your skin's protective barrier, Okinawa algae to draw in moisture, and Japanese purple rice to give your skin a major glow. And as a tip, it says pop it in the fridge. It'll feel extra refreshing. So I'm going to open this, but I am not going to put my hands in it. So this is sealed very well. And since I am not ready to start a new moisturizer anyway, we just know it's going to be a white cream in there and look gorgeous. Reaching in next, I have the Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. I will end up putting this in a giveaway because I received this in another box and it was an actual 2-pack and it had something else that went with it, but it was this exact product. So I will save this for somebody else to try. But this is from Caolin. I couldn't decide how to say it when I had it in the other box either. It looks like Caolin. Blackheads. We've sent them packing before and they just can't take a hint. Made with ginkgo biloba extract carried in micro-oxygen bubbles, this mask purifies and refines pores, eliminates blackheads and whiteheads, and exfoliates away dead skin cells for an all-over glow. And the full size of this is $26. Oh, the full size of the Tatcha would have been $68. All right, let's see what's next. We have a Honey Jarret Clean Whip Cleanser. That's interesting. That's a brand I have not ever had before, I don't think. It's very pretty. That's what it looks like. This says, the perfect cleanser should do more than just cleanse, which is why we love this multitasker. Not only does it get you clean, it uses black tea ferment to soften and brighten, help prevent breakouts, soothe inflammation, and boost your skin's moisture levels. And the full size is 100 grams and is $18. This is 30 grams, so a little less than a third. So this is probably between $5 and $6. That's a good little buy. Next I have Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. And that is what that looks like. I love to try mascaras, although, you know, I'm pretty stuck in my Thrive. Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in black. Full size is $12.99. Thick, long, full, and fluttery. This is how everyone will be describing your lashes once you start using this mascara. The ultra creamy fiber formula adds dramatic length and volume. An ergonomically curved brush makes it easy to coat every lash, even your inner corners. I do not love a curved brush, so I will set this aside for a giveaway. And last, I have the Tarte Quench. So this is of the Tarte C collection. Let's see what this says. Tarte C Quench Hydrating Primer. Ooh, that'll be fun to try. Whether you're going for a full beat or a natural look. Full beat. I'm so old I don't know what that means. This lightweight and super effective primer will make sure your hard work doesn't fade. It'll help foundation last longer and keep your skin hydrated for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and marine plant extracts. This is the deluxe sample, and a full size 30 mLs is $32. I cannot see a size on here. I'm not saying there isn't one, but it's white on white. I can't make it so I can see it. Oh, this is sealed. Well, you know what? We'll get in here because I'm probably going to try it. I'm just going to put a skosh of this. I'm being so careful about what I use and what touches me. But I think I can probably, yep, I can get that on me without ever touching the tube. We've got to be careful about everything now, don't we, guys? So it is a clear gel type. No scent almost. I don't smell anything from it. It's absorbing in. It's going to leave you with a little bit of this. Oh no, it's completely absorbing. Nope, there's going to be no slip left behind. You know, some of them have that silicone slip. This does not. It's completely drying down. Actually, it's starting to feel kind of like one of those gripping primers. That might work really well. Okay, so that was my Ipsy Glambag this month. We got 6 products instead of 5 this month because they are putting an extra product in each of the boxes as just part of their 100th Glambag celebration. We don't know which of our products is extra. I just have the 6 products listed here individually and none of them says bonus product. I know that it's not the Tatcha because that's the one that I chose. But I think, again, like I said, and I'm glad they didn't let me down, the original bag for $12 is just a great bag. You get the cute little bag. I received a Tatcha Dewy Moisturizer, the Tarte Primer, this new Honey Jarret Cleanser, the Sugar Mascara, the Caolin Blackhead Scrub Stuff, and this Firma Concealer Brush. And I have added on this nice Complex Culture Shadow Brush for $1 this month. I would have added it even without the $2 bonus because I love these brushes, and the thought of this brush for $3, come on, that's a good buy. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys. Take care of yourselves out there.